our first video in this tutorial wherein we'll be getting a DNS for ourselves using AWS Route 53. AWS Route 53 is nothing but a highly available and scalable cloud DNS web service. So basically it is a service. Obviously, like all of these AWS applications are services itself. This one is a web service which is highly available and scalable, which helps you manage or register or do several actions on your DNS. Now, what is a DNS? DNS is a domain name system which basically gives a readable format to your IP address. So if you know the basics of networking, yeah, websites, yeah, servers or anything, you would know that a website is hosted on a server. Server क्या होता है? Nothing but a machine, all right? And machines can connect to each other using their IP addresses, right? So वो IP addresses को giving it a readable format would be known as a domain name, all right? So there are several systems that are available or websites that are available that help you get a domain name for yourself. But since I am wanting my entire pipeline to be via AWS somehow, so yeah, that's why I'll be doing it through AWS Route 53. So basically, I'm also learning, you'll also learn along with me. So I'll do a get started on the Route 53. The first option that I'm getting here is register a domain. So the UI may change over the years, but pretty much the options remain the same. I've been exploring AWS since like my college, which was like around 2020, 21 and so on till now, and I'm seeing similar options being there. So yeah, anyways, so I'll do a register a domain. Each option also has kind of an info one-liner below it. So right here we can see that it says register the name such as example.com that your users use to access your application, which is exactly what I want. I want to get a DNS. So I'll do a get started. I want my DNS to be named Vibhuti Code Cafe if at all available. Let us do a search. And it has an exact match. So obviously you might know this that DNSs are not free. A domain name is not free. You have to pay some cost for it. But for Route 53, I think the first 12 hours you'll get it for free. So right here you can see, right? So like let's see if I have to pay $12, $14. It's okay, I think for now. I'll do a select. Fee is displayed for 1 year. You can change duration on the next page. Okay, proceed to checkout. So I think the minimum that I can select right now is 1 year itself. We'll send an email to the registrant contact before expiration to remind you that auto renew is currently turned on. Okay, let me do next. I think this is a personal information form, so I'll fill up the beginning of it, but yeah, I'll obviously not fill in my details here. Alright, I'll be pausing my video for now, and I'll come back after I filled out the form and I've just done a next. Okay. As you can see, the next screen was actually for review, and that also had my personal information. So I just did I scrolled down, I reviewed my information, and there was a submit button, and that's exactly what I did. Yeah, so then I'm back on this screen, which is Route 53 requests. So as we can see, this domain name is in progress for registration. So yeah, I believe after some time it will get registered, and perhaps I'll be receiving some communication from Amazon for registration. Cool. Let's head on to the next step. Thank you.